Hey everyone! In this video I'm going to feature the work of one of my awesome students, Aaron Collen, who has created this scene, and in this video I am going to demonstrate the use of decals in a process known as decals pass. The point of this process is to turn the piece from this to something like this. And there are two types of creating that decals pass. One is by doing that in the 3D software, where you can have the decals as actual geometry applied on planes, or you can do it the way that I'm gonna be demonstrating it here, which is using Photoshop. So that's gonna be in 2D. Let's say you have created an artwork and you just wanna demonstrate a little bit further what it can look like, just in a way that it would give more direction to the team that you're working with or to the client, in a way that you don't have to go into the commitment of doing these decals in 3D, just maybe as visualization to get the approval on, and then maybe later you can go to the 3D software and do them in 3D. In the future I plan on also demonstrating how to do the decals pass using 3D software as well. Alright, so let's get started.